These have got to be contender of the year for headphone of the year, surely, and with one killer feature, these are just awesome. Okay, headphone lovers, listen up. These are the JBL Tour One M3s, and I've been testing these for around about a week now, and I'm going to be gushing over these because these are fantastic. So there are so many reasons to love these headphones. First up is the fit and feel. They are really comfortable, really soft and padded here. Look at that soft padding, absolutely beautiful. You can wear these all day long and get absolutely zero ear fatigue. Now, design-wise, I think these sit absolutely firmly in the middle, somewhere between the, your high-end premium headphones and then your kind of more budget-friendly, because they still feel really sleek. They're not too bulky, not too big and brash, and once again, they fit around my ears absolutely beautifully. And as you can see, they're pretty flexible with rotating cups, which also fold in itself to make them nice and compact so they can go back in a case. Now, some brands amongst this peer group can't even do that. But the sound, let's talk about the sound. So out of the box, instantly, without tweaking any EQ levels on the app. Yes, there is an app and it is well worth taking a look at. Let me tell you about that in a second. But straight out the box, these sound punchy, bassy, clear, highs are high, lows are low. Now, if we're getting techie and specific, these have the high-res audio with JBL Pro sound delivered by 40mm Mica Dome drivers. Now, what makes the sound so good is the digital to analog converter, which is DAC, which is what these have. So it gives you high-quality, lossless sound, I promise. But if that's not good enough, like I say, there is a JBL headphones app where you can tweak a whole bunch of different settings when it comes to personalized sound. So within the JBL app, you can control things like your ANC and your audio settings, and you can control your equalizer and choose between the presets or even create your own. You have a spatial sound, and you can even perform hearing tests so you can get the most optimized sound possible for your ears. You can tweak the gestures on the headphones, and you can use this silent now feature if you want to have some peace, quiet and tranquility, and they even have thrown in some relaxing sounds. So if that tickles your fancy, give it a look. Now, on the headphones itself, controls are really easy to use. You've got your volume, you've got your noise cancelling, you've got different touch controls, and you've also got an auto pause feature. So when you're wearing your headphones with music and you take them off, the music will just pause. If you don't want to take the headphones off, these actually have a smart talk feature. So if someone's talking to you and you're talking back, your music will pause while you're talking because it recognizes that. Love that. Okay, this little gadget here is the real game-changing little gadget that these headphones come with. This is a smart TX Trnasmitter. So basically, this little TX Trnasmitter will allow you to connect to anything audio-wise that doesn't have Bluetooth connectivity. So if you're on something like an airplane and you want to connect your headphones, just use this little bad boy here. You connect this to the airplane, and then your headphones connect to this wirelessly. Easy peasy. So the TX Trnasmitter basically now acts like a remote control for your headphones. Using the touch screen, you can go in and change the playback, skip and forward tracks, change the volume, change the ambient sound, and there's also built-in Aurocast, so others with this feature can also connect to your headphones. So noise cancellation, they've got this covered as well, absolutely top notch, and you get 70 hours worth of music playback with Bluetooth, and that reduces to 40 hours when you have your ANC feature turned on too. And you can also give these a quick 5-minute charge, and they'll give you 5 hours of playback from that 5 minutes of charge. Now, these also come in a few different colors. You've got this, which is like a goldy mocha color. I can't remember the official color for this one, but they also come in black and blue. So there we have it. The JBL Tour One M3 is absolutely brilliant pair of headphones here, and that TX Trnasmitter, absolutely game changer. It makes these usable in so many scenarios that, I think is going to be a trend going forward. It's definitely going to be the future. Go and check them out for yourself. You will not be disappointed.